So today we're going to show you how to do this with the 4 motors and 4 ESCs. What's up, guys and girls? We're back. Now, some of you have been asking how I was going to pull off 4 motors and 4 ESCs. I said I'd make a quick little video of it to explain it. As you can see here, we got 2 motors on the back and 2 motors on the front. All Hobbywing Fusions with all ESCs. 1 receiver. So how you want to do this is you only want to have power from 1 motor in itself, just 1, and all the other ones you have to disconnect 1 wire out of each of the plugs. It's not really that hard of a thing. So you take the red wires out of any of the ESCs, and this works for any ESCs, not just for the Hobbywing Fusions. But you take the red wire and you just pull it out of the plug. Put a little heat shrink over the metal end of it so it doesn't touch anything. And then if you do like I do, put heat shrink over the connector so that it'll pull apart. Just stick it in there and hold on to it. So basically this is how you're going to want to have it. You just pull. Let's see if we can't. You see those little tabs in there? Those little tabs pull back right there. And then you can just pull that wire right out of it. So now, what happens is, turn on the transmitter. We'll turn this motor on here. And on the transmitter we have nothing. We'll turn this motor on here. Again, on the transmitter we have nothing. Let's go to this next motor. Alright, it's on. Again, we have nothing. So 3 out of 4 of these motors is on. 3 out of 4 of these ESCs have power. Now what we're going to do, turn on the last one. And you hear everything link up. Now we have power to the back too. And we also have power to the front too. And then all together, they all run collectively at the same speed because they're all the same ESC. You may have to do a little adjusting with the card. We're doing one of these. If you want to do like an overdrive in the front, you can set the chip up to be able to do an overdrive in the front or an underdrive in the rear. It's essentially the same thing. But yeah, again, all you really have to do is multiple ESCs. This works with anything you want to run with multiple motors and multiple ESCs. That way you don't backfeed back to the receiver too much power, because 5 volts from each ESC is essentially 20 volts going back to your receiver. You're running a risk of blowing it out or backfeeding any of the other ESCs. So you just want to take that tab, pull it back just a little bit, and you'll be able to slide that right out of there. I'm kind of holding my camera today. I don't have my tripod, but it's yeah, let's see if we can't show you. We'll go down here. I'm going to show you how this works. So you take like an X-Acto knife, right? A lot of you guys already know how to separate these things, but some of you don't, and this will be useful information. Stick it in here. Having a hard time. I guess sausage fingers over here. You just pull that tab up, and you pull that wire right up. And you just take a piece of heat shrink, put it over the top of that wire on any ESC that you're not running. And if you want to ever run it again in the future because you didn't cut it, all you got to do is slide that back in. Now you got a functioning ESC. Alright guys and girls, I hope that helped you out a little bit. If anybody's thinking about doing multiple ESCs, multiple motors on any kind of rig. And we'll leave it at this for now. Oh, sneak peek. That's all you get. You're going to have to go back and pause it. That was the body over there that we're putting on this. But yeah, that's it. A lot lizards coming along. It's kind of crazy. It makes no sense whatsoever. But it's cool. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.